My name is Daly Luevano. I am the National Admissions Representative here at AIM Las Vegas. I basically find out, the needs of a student. I get to know them, okay? Definitely get the information that I need to make sure that they are a right fit for the program. Make sure they are comfortable where they're gonna live. Make sure they're comfortable with prices on where they're gonna live. Every single aspect of it. I am that support system that they will have here. I always encourage them to come here. Make sure we are, what they expect. You get a career out of this. You can do this for a long, long time. It's something that you will retire from. It's unlimited. You can go anywhere. It's your A&P.